There you go, Fina.
Probably take a tea break in between. It's a leader pack. We got Reiju. You see. And a no. Yeah, it's a leader pack, so.
I'm going for you, Fina.
Thanks, baby boo. Roar! You got Capone. Capone beige. Yeah, we either alt or this card. The 1 cost, 1 blocker.
Upper yard.
Oh, I thought we got the upper yard star again.
Yeah.
That one was so cool.
Upper
Oh,
yard
Reiju!
Shit, sorry. Kobe!
Kobe promo star. I've never seen this card before. Cool. Cool. Sleeve man. Oh,
Sleeve. Kobe sleeve.
and we got Yvonne, the cheapest Don you can possibly find. Anyways, bye.